Hi, and welcome to the installation tutorial for the revolutionary Panasonic WhisperGreen Select series. We are thrilled to introduce you to our cutting-edge, energy-efficient ventilation solutions. With WhisperGreen Select, we empower you to tailor your fan to perfectly suit your unique requirements. Plus, we've created a game changer in installation efficiency with our innovative FlexiFast installation bracket and simplified installation retaining clips. Whether you're dealing with new construction or retrofitting, this bracket simplifies the process without the need for hanger bars. In new construction scenarios, effortlessly expand the FlexiFast bracket between the joists and secure it in place. For retrofit installations, its adaptable design allows you to fold the bracket sides for easy insertion through the ceiling cavity. Once in position, simply expand the bracket between the joists and secure it firmly. Able to fit in joists up to 2 feet when fully extended, the FlexiFast bracket ensures versatility and reliability. In addition, the simplified installation retaining clips improve the installation experience, making it a more efficient process. To install the fan, start by disconnecting the motor connector and, if applicable, the light kit connector from the fan's junction box. Then, remove the screw connecting the duct collar junction box assembly to the fan housing. Slide off the duct collar junction box assembly from the housing and attach it securely to the FlexiFast bracket using the provided screws. For retrofit installations, make your wiring connections and attach the duct before proceeding. Slide the fan housing back onto the duct collar junction box assembly, reattach the screw, and secure the fan housing to the FlexiFast bracket using the provided screws. Finally, reconnect the fan motor and, if applicable, the light kit by plugging them back into the junction box. Complete any remaining wiring, install the grill, and boom! Your WhisperGreen Select is primed for optimal performance. With the Panasonic WhisperGreen Select series, installation has never been easier or more efficient. Experience unparalleled ventilation tailored to your needs, backed by the reliability and innovation Panasonic is renowned for. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Panasonic.